One. What is up, guys? This is BTF gameplay here, and today we got a few miniature BB
and
guns.
You have to guess down in the comments below how many BBs there are in there.
Yeah, so
And if you're right, we'll show you.
We'll tell you.
We'll give you a free gun.
Yeah, sure. Okay,
We've got
right.
one. This
We've got
is the
tons.
gun. This is the gun, by the way.
It's pretty small, as you could see. It fits in the hand.
It's green in the hand, but it's blue on here.
Yeah, so guys, watch out. I'm gonna shoot it. Watch out. Oh, that failed. Right. Reload. Whoa. Does that hurt?
No.
Okay. So if you do shoot them at someone with like...
Oh, you shoot them at the ear. It really hurts. If you shoot their ear with them, it really hurts.
Jesus.
Max shot my ear with them, and it really hurt.
Yeah, so don't friggin' shoot me in the friggin' ear when I just said not to. Right, so guess how many there are, and we'll try and send. What the hell? Stop shooting them everywhere. We'll send you.
Do the dab.
Yeah, do the dab. Do the dab, everyone.
How
And we might
on these bags?
And we
this
might.
bag?
No.
And we might have a new dab video of you
By the way-
I'm firing. 3, 2, 1. Oh, stop falling out.
Peace out.
I didn't reload it. Right, so
you shot them when you
Look at this epic gun.
there's
you know-
also gonna be a video
know-
of Silly String coming
Do you know?
out.
Do you know? Glowing silly string.
Our Nan's coming later, so we're gonna get her with Silly String. Check
Yeah.
out that video.
Yeah,
up
we're gonna
there.
upload it where we're gonna get our Nan with the BB guns and
Well, these are
Silly
miniature
String.
BB guns.
Yeah.
Miniature
But
BB
you're
guns.
the silly
but they
string.
still really hurt. I don't.
Look at this.
So guess how many we've got?
Let's see if we can fill up this whole bag with BBs.
And yeah, see you in the next video.